This is a short tutorial on using the advanced search features of the Big Ten Academic Alliance Geoportal, which contains more than 100,000 geospatial data resources including scanned maps, aerial imagery, and many important vector and raster datasets. In this video, we will explore how to search for imagery. In this search example, we will look for land cover data derived from 2009 LiDAR returns from the state of Iowa. This is a raster web service provided by the Iowa Department of Natural Resources. One of the simplest ways to limit possible results for this resource is to enter the term land cover directly into the search toolbar at the top. This gives us 382 possible results. In cases such as this, the faceted search tools on the left are very helpful in refining our search. The place filter in particular allows us to limit our resources to a particular location. However, in this example, the state of Iowa does not appear on the top level of results, so it's necessary to click on the More button to see what else is available. We'll click Next, and we see that there is only one option for the state of Iowa. By clicking on Iowa, we limit our possible results to the state of Iowa, and there is only one available resource. This isn't the only way that we could have conducted this search, so let's start over. Another way that we could have done this search is to enter the term Iowa directly into the search bar from the start. Then, we could use the faceted search tools on the left to further refine our possible options. In addition to the place filter, we also have tools to limit by resource class, resource type, or time period. In this particular example, we know that we're looking for the year 2009, so we could enter that directly into the year filter. This allows you to input a range of data, but it also allows you to put in a single year. Notice that we have far fewer options, and I can see the item listed right here. This time, let's go ahead and click on it. This gives us a preview of the ArcGIS dynamic map layer. While we have a preview available in this window that gives you an opacity slider and some additional base maps, we also have a link to the original source. In many cases, it will be necessary to visit the original source in order to download or access the resource. Because this is a web service, we'll want to visit that source. This brings us to the Iowa Geospatial Data Clearinghouse. Here, we have more information about the resource, and if we want to use this in one of our own web applications, we'll go ahead and click on that option down here. This is the ArcGIS REST Services directory endpoint for this source, so I could put this directly into a web application if I wanted to use this in an interactive web map. Thank you for watching.